How's it going? This is Steve Lennon, the website developer, and today I have another website for you. This one is a mobile website. It's for people who have smartphones or regular phones, tablets, even laptops or PCs. But it's specifically catered towards the phone market. So if you're wanting to go market in the phone community on Facebook or other places, this could be a perfect match for you because we can compress it right into a nice phone view that is conducive or looks really, really good for phone and actually is incredibly fast and actually gets wonderful results. So if you're trying to capture leads and you want to do it whether you're talking to somebody and they say, hey, I've got my friend who wants to get their hair done, then you could just have them give you the information. You can pop it into the website and then start a triggered campaign to have that person, get to know you, like you, and trust you, and perhaps want to do some business with you. So if you go down here, I'm going to just bring it down for a second. But you can see right here, it's just got a really nice look to it. And so if you're out and about and you're at a hair salon or other place like that, this gives you the ability to be able to do a drop in a lead real quick and then follow up on it and also put it into a triggered campaign if you want as well. A referral, set up a Calendly for it so they can schedule an appointment, things like that. So it just has a lot of different utilities, ways in which you can do things. So we can either add or remove the ones that don't apply here or all of them. And over here, put your information in here, or your company or your individual information here. We can change out the image to reflect whatever you want, whether it be the storefront or the office. Maybe it's a video. Whatever you want to put in here, we can do that. And then we can also put in where you can do scheduling and things like that and just make it your own. So if you have some interest in something like this to be, to have a nice looking makeup artist / a hairstylist type website, it's just a matter of give me a call, figure out what you need, and we'll go through it. I'll show you all the different things we can do and convert this into a mobile site as well and start capturing leads and growing your business even more, or at least getting people to know you even better. So hope you're enjoying the video. I'll look forward to show you some more in the near future. Have a great day. Take care.